In an ideal collision, the sum of momenta of the two objects before collision is equal to the sum of momenta after the collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on them. This is a law of conservation of momentum. Let us verify the same in this activity. Here, we have two ideal masses on an ideal frictionless surface. Push the masses with certain velocities and note their respective momenta before and after the collision. Repeat the activity for different combinations of masses and initial velocities. In all cases, we observe that the total momentum of the two objects is unchanged or conserved by the collision. Hence, the law of conservation of momentum stands verified for an ideal collision.